Stop there by Altenberg. She'll back it back out. Now to Wilson. Wilson to the far side. Gives it to Richardson. Back to Taylor. Now over to Gelhar. Three-pointer on the way. Drains it. Angela Gelhar. Three-point basket. Puts the Saints back up by 9. 39-30. Richardson. Bring it in. Gives it to Gelhar. Three-pointer on the way from her. Puts it down. Angela Gelhar, a pair of three-pointers now in the last couple minutes. Puts the Saints up by 11, 44-33. Seven seconds left on the shot clock. Richardson puts up a shot. Bounces off the front of the rim and falls. So Jordyn Richardson, a three-pointer. Saints lead by 13 again. Handles at the top, brings it to the near side, goes between her legs. Over to Gelhar, three-pointer on the way from Gelhar, swoosh, puts it down. Angela Gelhar, red hot here in the second half, now with 17 points. Saints lead big, 58-40. Goes to Gelhar, far side corner, drops it to Taylor, kicks it cross court to Richardson, three-pointer on the way. Jordyn Richardson drains a three-pointer there, puts the Saints back up 63-47, 5:56 to play. Taylor, she brings it to the near side. Richardson, three-pointer on the way, drains it. Jordyn Richardson for three. Having a very good night. She now has 14 points. Trying to work some time off this clock. Haskey handles, puts it on the deck, brings it to the near side to Wilson. Now to Gelhar. She will put up a three-pointer and drains it. Ice in her veins. Angela Gelhar, 20 points on the night. Seals the deal, 73-57, a minute 35.